In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Calendly to your website step by step so visitors can book time with you directly from your page. This is a great way to save time, make scheduling easier, and turn more website visitors into real calls, meetings, or appointments. If this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Calendly account. Once you're inside, look for the scheduling section in the left-hand menu or dashboard. This is where all of your event types are managed. Event types are the meetings or booking options you want people to schedule, so find the one you want to embed on your website. Next, click the three dot menu, also shown as the More menu, next to that event type. A drop-down will appear with several options. From that list, click Add to Website. This is the option that lets you generate an embed for your Calendly booking page. Now, Calendly will ask you to choose the type of embed you want to use. You'll usually see options like Inline Embed, Popup Widget, or Popup Text. If you want the calendar to appear directly on the page, choose Inline Embed. If you want a button or pop-up that opens the scheduler when clicked, choose one of the pop-up options instead. Pick the one that best matches your website layout and the experience you want for your visitors. After selecting your embed type, click Continue. Calendly will take you to the customization screen, where you can adjust the appearance and settings of the embed. Depending on the option you chose, you may be able to change the size, styling, label, or other display preferences. Take a moment here to make sure everything looks the way you want before publishing it on your site. When you're happy with the setup, click Copy Code. Calendly will generate the HTML embed code for you, and this is what you'll place into your website. Now open your website editor or your website platform's CML section. This could be a page builder, a custom site editor, or anywhere you can insert code blocks or embed snippets. Paste the Calendly code into the spot where you want the booking calendar to appear. If you're using an inline embed, place it directly in the section of the page where you want the calendar visible. If you chose a pop-up option, paste the code into the appropriate area so the button or trigger displays correctly. Once the code is pasted, save your changes. Then preview the page to make sure Calendly is loading correctly and the booking experience looks clean on desktop and mobile. If everything looks good, publish your website so visitors can start scheduling with you right away. And that's it. You've successfully added Calendly to your website. Now, your audience can book calls, consultations, demos, or appointments without having to email back and forth. If this guide helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you want more tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.